In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix says this app is not compatible with your device. Let's get started. This message usually appears when your device does not meet Netflix's current system requirements, is running an outdated operating system, or is using an unsupported version of the app. To fix this, first, update your device software. If you found out any updates, just update it. Then check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Netflix. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Also avoid downloading Netflix from unofficial websites or third-party app stores, as these versions may not be compatible with your device. Likewise, you can completely delete Netflix from your device and reinstall it. If your device is very old and no longer supports the latest version of Netflix, you may need to stream through a supported web browser, use another compatible device, or upgrade your device. If you have tried all of these steps and still see the compatibility message, contact Netflix support or your device manufacturer to confirm whether your device is still supported. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.